Wull's wheels. In this video, we're replacing this faded old badge here with this new shiny one. So here's what you're going to need to do this. A card or some sort to try and get behind your badge and prise it off. Some dental floss to get between the adhesive and the bodywork of your car. A hairdryer to soften the adhesive, and of course, your new badge. I'd also recommend using some of this sticky stuff remover to get rid of any stubborn adhesive that doesn't want to come off your badge from where you took it off. And also some kitchen towel, a little bit of damp and a little bit of dry, because that way then you can wipe it all down. Get rid of the excess to leave a nice smooth bit for your new badge to go onto. So having read up about it online, the Fiat badge here is just held on with some adhesive. So what I'm going to do first then, heat it up with a hairdryer. And there we go, old badge is off. So what I've got here is a damp kitchen towel. So what I'm going to do is just wipe around, just get rid of any excess rubbish that's going to prevent the new badge from sticking. So I've wiped off as much as I possibly can, but there's still a couple of little bits of residue left, so what I'm going to do is wipe them off with a bit. Right, so to get rid of this excess here, which is obviously a bit more stuck on, I'm going to use this sticky stuff remover by Dissolve It. Other brands are available, so feel free, just spread it all over. There we go. Now just give it a couple of moments. Right, it's a couple of minutes later, let's give it a go. Right, and that's that done. Time to fit the new badge. All exciting times. So, now we're going to do the opposite of removing the badge. So what we're going to do, simply use this hairdryer on here to heat up the metal a little bit. Metal will retain the heat for a bit. And then, we're going to move on down here, take the adhesive. That'll soften the adhesive. Using the locating pins on the back, stick them into the two holes, and then press quite firmly. That's how we change from this scabby old badge to a nice shiny new badge that makes your vehicle look that little bit newer. Thing is, it's really easy to do. I mean, I did it at home, so you guys can do it as well. So, if you've enjoyed this video, guys, click like down below. Remember to subscribe if you want to see this sort of content more often in the future, and also remember to leave a comment if you want to. Until next time guys, goodbye.